My name is Monica Pequeño. I am part of Penn Aluminum International, part of the Marmon Berkshire Hathaway companies here in Harlingen, Texas. Penn Aluminum has been extruding aluminum tubing for the automotive industry and the home HVAC system for the last 20 years, since 2005, here locally in Harlingen, Texas. We are currently supplying 65% of the market in North America. That includes Canada, US, and Mexico. This is a strategic location for us because the proximity of our customers to the south of us, as well as our Texas customers, gives us a great location for us to be here in Harlingen. I love the area. The area is really nice. Harlingen is right in the heart of the valley, of the Rio Grande Valley. It has access to ports, it's got access to locations for leisure like the beach. The workers are just fantastic. We get great loyal employees here in Harlingen. They are hardworking, they are loyal, they are enthusiastic to being part of the Penn team.